Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and I'm excited to actually share this new information with you guys. If you're coming to Kenya, Jam Tours create a space special for you here, family. So, I just want to share this information with you and share the space with you, and and the new development, and let you guys know that we are open, we're ready to book. So, if you're thinking about coming to Kenya, have no fear. We are here. Jam Tours Africa, One Love Africa. We are here to actually, show you around and take you around, so let us see that Africa is the next big thing, and you need to be a part of this. You need to come and cut your slice and eat your slice. As I said, family, we all know that they hold on Africa for a long time, and it's only a matter of time because, nature, and God is just working. And, when you see a lot of people coming back, a lot of people getting dreams and a lot of these things, family, it's time. The time is now. And that's the reason why we're here. I will create this, studio apartment for you. I'm going to share you, everything that's in this studio apartment and how comfortable you will be when you book and stay with us, family. So, when you're coming to Africa, a lot of people come, they make a lot of wrong choices, they get scammed. Even I get scammed out of an apartment, family. And I have to actually in court with this matter right now. And that's the reason why family actually paid forward, because I see that there is a need. And I see that people need guidance, people need information. Information is the new currency right now. You come to Africa and get the wrong information, you might lose everything, have to go back to the West where I try to run from with nothing, family. So that's the reason why, I look into myself and I said, maybe I'm here for a reason. Maybe the reason I was scammed was for me to actually, get the drive to actually do this and help people, family. So when I say I'm doing this, family, it's not for the money, but I'm really doing this because I really want to help people who want to come back, to come back safe and sound, and they can have the money to invest and help develop and build Africa, family. So let's go. Me and my brother from Ricardo, Chef Ricardo, head chef, all the way from Jamaica right now. And he might want to say something to you guys. As you know, Jamaica is like king in Kenya right now. Jamaica trending all over the place. And we want to capitalize on that and introduce the Jamaican culture more to people. And, as real Jamaicans, me and Slogan share something in common. Because we come directly from Jamaica. It's not like, say, we go to the US and we spend 10 years. We're directly from yard. And him there family, and him really want to actually activate the Jamaican food in Kenya. So if you're watching this and you're looking for a chef, or you're looking for a partner, you're looking for somebody to actually get this thing, investments or something, talk to this man. He might want to say a few things so you can know what.
Yeah, man. Sir, Chef Ricardo from One Love Africa. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share. Check out the channel. And if you like what I'm doing, give a comment, give a thumbs up, say something. So as you know, we're here at the Airbnb right here in Ruaka, Campbell County. This is Jam Tour Airbnb, and my Airbnb apartment is coming up soon. We already have a few, but from this location, we have one coming up. But anyways, if you guys are coming here and you want to do investment, like food business, whatever business you like, because I'm in the food and beverage industry. So I'm in that business. If you want to come, a partner to team up with, or you have a vision, or you have a mission you want to challenge, and you want someone that's on the field, like a real certified chef, business person, because me and other partner of mine used to have reggae flavors. Still have reggae flavors. I just segregate myself, rebrand.
Yeah.
So my partner, she have reggae flavors right now, my business partner, and right now I'm rebranding something different. So we start off, we've been doing it 4 years. 4 years. You understand? In Africa, I've been doing it. So as you see, a lot of things I'm going to post on my channel so you guys can see. There's a few stuff there right now, or you can Google Chef Ricardo, or Google reggae flavors, or whatever you want to do. It's still all going. But this is the Airbnb. So look around. But otherwise from that, if you want a chef to do a business here, and you want to start a business, if you want to collaborate with me for what I'm doing, because I'm making seasoned sauce and spices, Otherwise from that, I'm doing catering, cooking classes, and otherwise from that, I'm going into the restaurant industry here in Nairobi, Kenya. So tune up, tune in, and link up.
Tap in and log in.
Yeah, man. As I said, we are real Jamaicans, straight from Jamaica to Africa. You understand? Yard man up in a foreign. So, we're there. It's the people just link up.
Yeah, family. So, let me run through this studio apartment to make you see what I go on and know what I go on. So, start from outside. We have one mat. We say, welcome to Jam Tours. We have we curtain, we share, we kitchen, rod and all kind of thing. Kitchen thing. Nice cozy.
Apartment for you guys.
Yeah, so let's run through the kitchen, family. So, in the kitchen right now, we're there. And we have some thing for you. We have thing for you make your tea. We have a little season if you want to cook. We have some nice salt, sea salt, sugar. You know what I mean? All of these little things that you need, family, to actually make your experience nice. To start off when you come to Kenya.
Kettle. Glass.
Yeah, glass, kettle, light.
See? Just like that.
Mm-hmm. You have a nice little thing. You have a cutting board to cut up your thing. Yeah. You have a nice teacup.
A nice stove, as you can see. I have a nice stove right here for you guys.
Yeah.
See, it's a 3-burner with a hot plate also.
Hot plate,
so in case you don't have no gas, which is there is gas, but in case there's no gas, you can turn on the hot plate and cook on it.
Yeah.
And we have an oven.
Yeah.
As you can see, if you want to grill some chicken, the grill is here. Yeah. If you want to even use this and bake,
Yeah.
You see, we have everything you guys need.
Yeah.
So everything is there for cookies, for pudding, for bread, for baking. We have pots, and there's going to be even more.
Yeah.
So you guys don't have to worry about that. Everything cozy for you guys.
Yeah.
As you can see here, refrigerator.
Yeah.
A small refrigerator, very nice.
Brand new, not
brand new,
yet.
Never used before.
First guess you.
Smell fresh. Brand new.
Yeah.
And we haven't plugged it in as yet.
Yeah.
So the first guest come, gonna be sampling everything. No one has slept in this room before.
Yeah.
This room is brand new, newly built house. And it's a newly built apartment. So nice,
yeah, family. Yeah, so we have a dustbin file, as you can see, to your rubbish. We have a broom.
Garbage bin, broom, mat.
Yeah.
Everything. If you want someone to be clean your place like once per week, twice per week, you can talk to us. If you don't want to do the cleaning, you just come and relax. You want a cleaner person, a lady, we'll be here for you.
Yeah, yeah.
TV, Airbnb, for the Airbnb. We also have Netflix on it, and there's other channels. As you can see, nice decor. Look at this picture. As you can see, mothers are like buttons. They hold everything together.
Yeah.
It's a nice picture. As you can look around. So the curtains, the bed is there, the doves making love.
The doves making love.
Doves making love. So you can start mirror in case someone wants to do makeup on our face.
Yeah, you got a mirror right there.
And there's also one more in the bathroom. You can see we're in Africa. So you can see the African tree.
Yeah.
Represent life.
Yeah.
We can see the cheetah or the leopard, whatever it is. You can see a lion. You can see the elephant.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and the zebra. So a nice little 1-studio room apartment. 2 person can stay here.
Yeah.
Your wife, your child. It's just for a week or 2. If you want it for a month, we can give you a discount. No matter of fact, the first person who come to book this from us for the first month, you get a big discount.
Yeah.
So we do nightly rent. But if you want it for a month, we can work out a great discount for you.
Yeah.
And free pickup at the airport.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Free. Pick up. We pick you up free
from the airport. At the airport.
You don't have to pay no money as long as you book this apartment.
Yeah.
But you have to book it for over a week.
Yeah.
You get a free pickup from the airport. And we'll stop off with you and get you good food.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Good Jamaican food at Jamrock family. So as you can see, guys, I have a nice snake plant here. Nice snake plant. Like to, you know what I mean? This give you a lot of oxygen in the night. You have a nice little snake plant there, family. So, you know what I mean? Let's check out the bathroom. We have a mat here, as you can see, family. A nice little cozy mat for you. The couch is right there, as you can see. And now we get to the bathroom. Nice bathroom, family. A nice towel there, so.
24 hours.
You know what I mean?
Next thing.
Yeah.
Next thing I want to say, you should always remember, because this is the first thing people always ask.
Yeah.
This is the first question people always ask when they come in here. How is the security?
Yeah.
24-hour security. We have cameras set up everywhere outside. All 4 angles.
Yeah.
Up floor, down floor, everywhere. There's cameras. and there's people monitoring the cameras 24/7.
Yeah.
And there's a security at the gate.
Yeah,
to watch.
let me show them.
Show them what's going
So
on.
as you can see, family, somebody just drive in and the security open the gate and stuff. So, you know what I mean?
Security is there.
Security is there, as I can see.
As
right
you can
there.
see, yes.
Yeah, family.
So you're safe.
Yeah, so you're safe and secure. And
it's right down the road from the mall.
yeah, right down here. Two Rivers Mall is right there.
Just down the road.
Yeah.
You can go watch cinema if you want to watch movies, if you want to get fast food, if you want to go shopping, if you want the biggest mall that's owned by a black person in East Africa, the biggest mall in East Africa. Google it, Two Rivers Mall.
And Village Market just
Right.
like
Village Market
5
just
minutes,
down the
10
road.
minutes.
Down the road.
You know what I mean?
So the mall walk distance, the mall is 15 minutes walk distance. Driving distance, the mall is 3 minutes driving distance. Village Market walk distance is 20-25 minutes, but driving distance is 5 to 7 minutes. So it's so close. You're between two malls and several different what do you call it? Supermarket.
And Nairobi is just right there. Nairobi is like
Nairobi's
maybe
there.
15 minutes drive away. So family, this is a perfect spot. Reggae Flavors upstairs. If you need anything, you can assist.
Chef Ricardo upstairs.
Yeah.
One love.
One love
So
Africa.
I'm going to be your host. If you guys come and you want me to be your host, well, I am the host.
Yeah.
But if you want to be by yourself and private, it's okay.
It's okay.
We just pick you up at the airport. We give you the keys, get you some food, some fresh juice, fresh vegetables, everything organic.
Clean water from the spring.
Mineral water.
Under the ground.
Yep.
Yeah, family. So we're there and we want to show you guys what we are do. To help you guys come back. You know what I mean? So guys, remember, subscribe to One Love Africa.
Give me the support
And,
because you don't know the small channel.
The small channel, we are trying to get it up.
We're not asking the money, We're not asking the money, beg you this and beg you that. No, just subscribe. That's
right.
all. And like what go on, you understand? We are growing together.
Yeah, man. Yeah, family. So we out for now. One Love, Jah bless, Jamaica. We are out. Any last word? One
Last
Love
word.
Africa.
Stay safe. Welcome. Caribou-ni. That means
Karibu
welcome.
sana.
Yeah, man.
All right, we out, guys. Jah bless.